Hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Thanks. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Laravel 8, Laravel version 8 has been released recently and I will show you how to install Laravel 8, how to create Laravel 8 project on your computer, on your local machine. But first of all, if you are new to Laravel framework, then you can skip the first step. So basically, you can go and install Composer first of all, and then you can go to the documentation and install Laravel installer for yourself. If you used Laravel before, then probably your Laravel installer version is older than the latest one, which is version 4. So you need to remove that Laravel installer and install the latest version to your computer. In order to find out your Laravel installer version, you need to go to the command line and type in Laravel v. And as you can see, my Laravel installer version is 2.2, which is not the latest because the latest Laravel installer is 4.0.3, and we want that because that's how you can install Laravel 8 project. That's how you can create Laravel 8 projects on your computer with Jetstream, which is the latest type how you can create Laravel authentication out of the box. So all we need to do is remove the Laravel installer 2.2. Okay, so all you need to type in is composer global remove Laravel /installer. Hit enter and it will be removed the Laravel installer from your computer. Okay, that's done. So now we can go and grab this command and we can install the latest version to our computer. Right, that's done as well. So now we should see this latest version of the Laravel installer. So if we check in the command line, yes, we have the latest version. So now we are able to create Laravel 8 projects. Okay, so how to do that? Of course, we can use the Laravel new command to create any project, block for example, or whatever you want to name your project. But we want the latest authentication, scaffolding, so login page, register page out of the box provided by Laravel. And for that, you need to use the following command. So Laravel new, and name your project whatever you want. I'm gonna call mine, for example, test 8 because I'm testing the Laravel 8 -- and the keyword here is jet. So we are creating a Laravel 8 project with Jetstream package. And as you can see, this brand new installer, it's already asking if you want to go with Livewire or Inertia.js. I will go for Livewire, so 0, enter, and you can create theme scaffolding as well to your application, but I don't want that option now, so I type in now and enter. So now it's creating our Laravel 8 project with authentication scaffolding. I will back in a minute. Right, it was a long waiting, but finally Laravel 8 is installed now. And let's take a look for the next step, which is npm install and then npm run dev. But first of all, let's cd inside this brand new Laravel project, cd test 8. Okay, and now we can say npm install. It will install packages for us. Okay, that's done as well. Now let's type in npm run dev. It will compile our JS and CSS files. Okay, so as you can see, that's done. And by default, Laravel 8 comes with Tailwind CSS on the front end as a CSS framework. Okay, so now we should boot up our server. So PHP Artisan serve. And we should be able to open on our localhost 8000 we will get an error, but I will show you why. So as you can see, unknown database test8. So I named my application test8. Maybe you named your differently, maybe blog or test application or whatever you named it. So we have to create a database with this name. So let's just do that. Okay, so I'm in my PHP MyAdmin and hit new, and I have to name it exactly the same. You should name it exactly the same what you can see on the screen. So mine is test8. And hit create. So now we have to run one more command, which is php artisan migrate. Okay, so as you can see, it's migrated our database now, and we should do php artisan serve now. And if we hit refresh, here you go, you have the Laravel 8 project installed and created on your local machine with login and, as expected, with a register page. So quickly, let's just create a new user. Okay, so I'm creating a test user with a test email address, and I would like to show you one more thing, which is threw me an error. So hit register. Okay, so we are in this brand new dashboard created by Laravel, and we have this avatar section here when we can edit our profile, we can create API tokens, and we can log out. So if you go to the profile, you can set your, you can update your username, you can update your email address, set a new password, and you can enable two-factor authentication if you want to. You can log out different sessions. So for example, if I would log in now Firefox, for example, here would be Windows Firefox, and I could log out other browsers sessions, and I can delete my account. And as you can see, I can update my profile picture. So if I do that, doesn't matter what image I select, and if I hit save, boom, the pictures doesn't work in, it's not found. And if you hit F12 and you inspect this image element, you can see it's trying to find my image at http:/test8.test. But as you can see, I'm using this IP address. Basically, it's a local host, port 8000. So that's why the image is not showing up. And in order to fix this issue, you have to open your new project in VS Code. Here is test8 add. And if you go to the .env file, as you can see, the app URL is HTTP, but I want to use the local host 8000. And if you close it and save it, and if you hit refresh, suddenly everything is working. It's find my image. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.